When you work with vibe coding tools to build applications, it's not uncommon to constantly go back and forth to correct the mistakes and adjust prompts until you finally get to the end product that you initially wanted to see in the first place. This happens for two main reasons. First, the initial prompt that you sent didn't fully describe your end product, and second, the end product that it did generate just had tons of bugs. In either case, the burden is put on you because you have to test the app and adjust your prompts to drive the product to the end. While this might sound par for the course, since vibe coding tools often miss human intent and just overall lack in its ability to test what it created. But maybe there's a way to improve the situation. This is where Replit's new feature called Agent 3 helps alleviate this burden with two main features. First, automated testing, and second, extended agentic runtime to 200 minutes. These two features work in harmony to essentially lessen the burden on your end to test and prompt back and forth until the finished product meets the quality that you are looking for. So let's start with automated testing. Replit's Agent 3's automated testing is an agentic method of testing the application that it created, and being able to shoulder the time and effort that's typically required to test the app should free up your time that goes into building an application. And since testing often adds more time in your development, Agent 3 also comes with an extended 200 minutes of runtime to give ample time in case of complex application that needs a lot of agentic time to finish the app development. Okay, let's actually see how well Replit's Agent 3 automated testing and extended runtime works. I started out with a prompt that I thought would require a reasonable amount of difficulty in reasoning and complicated automated testing. The prompt I sent was this: can you build a chess game that follows normal chess rules, but the board is 16 by 16, and board is on a 3D cube and pieces can travel across each plane of the cube. So as you can see, the application that I'm trying to build is not only complicated in its requirement, but also testing the app requires a fair amount of time and intuition. And the goal here is to test if Replit's Agent 3 truly lives up to what Replit claims as our most autonomous agent yet. So to clarify, the primary metric I used to judge wasn't just on whether the chess app actually works as intended, but more importantly, is Agent 3 actually as autonomous as they say it is? In other words, I want Agent 3 to take the burden of actually testing the app and correct courses, because that's where I typically spend most of the time and effort, and I want the agent to actually work on that on my behalf. So after my prompt was processed by Replit and Agent 3 finally finished creating the app, I immediately went into seeing how autonomous testing actually looks like. In the game of chess, testing an app like this not only requires common sense to actually click around the app itself, like clicking on buttons and tabs, but more importantly, it requires deep intuition in understanding what I'm trying to build, which is a chess game in a 3D space. Agent 3 started with common sense operations like clicking around the site, but later it started doing some complex test cases like moving pieces to specific squares, fixing any unexpected moves that the game allowed, and more impressively, counting if each plane of the cube actually contained 256 each. And some of the tests that Agent 3 actually performed would normally be something that I would actually test myself, but now with autonomous testing by Agent 3, the burden is actually taken on by the agent. And knowing that the runtime is extended to 200 minutes, it gives a lot of room for the agent to run deep tests autonomously. One additional feature with Agent 3 that I found as a direct use case was an agent creating other agents and automations. More specifically, this feature allows me to use an agent that would create an automation that helps me stay on top of what goes on in the AI industry. One of the most common questions that I get is what my research process looks like when I prepare to make AI videos like this. And one of the critical aspects of that is staying on top of AI research and academic papers from archive.org. So using the Agent 3 feature, I sent this prompt: can you build me an app that sends me an email every day at 9:20 p.m. that gives a summary on AI archives that researchers have made? After about 12 minutes of build time and $2.84 later, Agent 3 built out an automation that sends me an email summary of AI research papers that looks something like this. Notice how the email shows me high-level bullet points on key findings, what it thinks the most important research papers are, emerging trends in AI, and what practical implications there are. So from just one simple sentence, Agent 3 was able to build out an entire automation tool that I can deploy on its own schedule on when it should actually run. And this is also where Replit stands out in the industry, which is a reliable runtime environment to deploy applications and automation tasks directly on Replit itself. So as agentic applications like Replit's Agent 3 continues to give agents more autonomy and take away time that would typically go towards testing the application, and by giving these agents more time to explore what it made, we are truly moving moving into agentic applications that reduces the need for constant back and forth between human and AI, but more into high-level guidance from humans.